Why professional security camera installation matters. When it comes to protecting your business, a professionally installed security camera system is essential. Here's why. 1. Expert configuration. Many DIY or electrician-installed systems fail to meet advanced needs, such as integrating multiple locations or setting up remote monitoring apps like Magic Viewer. Professionals ensure everything works seamlessly. 2. Custom solutions. Every business has unique security requirements. We tailor our installations to meet your specific needs, whether you're managing a single storefront or multiple locations like Mohegan Cigar and Smoke Shop. 3. Advanced technology. Modern systems like Magic Viewer allow you to monitor all your locations on one app, giving you peace of mind no matter where you are. 4. Ongoing support. With Abstract Enterprise, you're not just getting an installation. You're gaining a partner who can troubleshoot, upgrade, and maintain your system over time. What we did for Mohegan Cigar and Smoke Shop. At their Brantford CT location, the customer initially had an electrician install a Hikvision system, but wanted the advanced Magic Viewer app to monitor all 12 of their locations. When the electrician couldn't configure it, they turned to us for help. Here's what we did. Swapped out the DVR unit for compatibility with Magic Viewer. Configured the system so the customer could monitor all 12 locations from one app. Provided training on how to use the app for real-time monitoring and playback. The result? A fully functional, user-friendly security system that gives the customer complete control over their business operations. Why choose Abstract Enterprise? Here are just a few reasons why businesses in Brantford and beyond trust us. Experience. We specialize in installing and configuring advanced security systems. Reliability. We get the job done right the first time, saving you time and frustration. Customer-focused. Your satisfaction and peace of mind are our top priorities. Comprehensive service. From installation to ongoing support, we're here for you every step of the way. Take action today. Don't leave your business vulnerable. Whether you need a new installation or an upgrade to an existing system, Abstract Enterprise is here to help. Call us now to schedule your security camera installation in Brantford, Connecticut, and take control of your business's safety. Your security is our priority. Let's get started today.